Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I will tell you all the difference between var and let syntax in JavaScript and the reason why so many JavaScript developers recommend to use let and forget about var. So in this example, I declared a as 99 using var and then redeclared a as 100 and then again as devcode. In the example of let, you can see that I declared x and gave it a value of 100, but I can only reassign it. I changed x to 90 and then to devcode. But what if I redeclare x? We'll get an error saying that x has already been declared. This was a practical distinction between the two keywords for declaring variables. Now the actual definition for the two keywords is that a var statement declares a function or globally scoped variable and the let declares a block scoped local variable. This can be understood with one more example. You can see that if the variable x is redeclared inside an if statement, the results would differ in both the cases because the variable is scoped to the if statement only when I do so. The same is true for functions. However, if I reassign the value of x, only then is the value of x changed outside because the variable was already declared outside and now can be assigned to something else inside because it was previously declared outside. However, all the redeclaration issues with let don't apply in var declaration. That's why when var is used, debugging becomes difficult. Most JavaScript developers advise beginning users to use let solely because of this.